Is HeedYou really a way to earn 5 cents per ad you click, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and many people ask me about ways to earn by clicking ads, and I came across this website and decided to test it myself because it looks at first like you can earn 5 cents per click, which is quite a lot for a pay-to-click site. So I decided to just test everything, and I will share all the results in this HeedYou review so you know exactly what to expect. And let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to know before you invest any time on this website. So let's start by going over who can join. And HeedYou is a website you can join from more or less all countries. You can see they also display like world on the front page there, and you can earn in different ways. You can advertise there also, not something I would really recommend, but that's if you're an advertiser. But if you are a good advertiser, you would not use a site like this. But that's a whole nother thing here. I want to focus on the earning options. You can see you can join from more or less all countries there, and you can earn in several ways. You can see if you go to the earning options there, you can view ads, tasks, service, and watch videos. We will focus on the viewing of the ads. We will also look at some of the other options so you can just get a quick overview. But the viewing of the ads is what many people have asked me about, and also what looks the most appealing at first, because it looks like you can get way higher rewards than what you usually can on PTC, meaning pay-to-click sites. So let's just check how much you can actually earn by viewing ads here. So when you go to the view ads section, you can see there's some pay-to-click ads at the top there, where you just click and then you just open a new ad. I will show you how to do that also, and there's some more options below we'll go over also. But basically here you can see like each of these here would give me 0.05 cents, it says. So what I at first thought, and what many people thought, is that this means that you would get 5 cents, because if it's $0.05, no, that's what you would think, then it's 5 cents. And I'm pretty sure they made this on purpose, so it looks like that you earn 5 cents, because that's a really high reward for a get paid to site. But in reality, it's 0.05 cents, which is a lot less. So let me just show you that. Like, I can actually just show you first here my account balance so you can see the difference there. I'll just open my account there, balance, so you can see here I have, as you can see, my balance now is $0.0005 there. So let's just see here, I click an ad. This is how it is, you know, I just need to wait. That's how pay-to-click sites in general is. Then you see there's a timer up here. It's not long, it's like 5 seconds. And then you need to click the picture that is upside down there. And you can see then it has been verified and I have earned. So then you come back here, and then if I just update this, and you can see then it has been added. Before it was 0.0005, now it's 0.001. So you do not get 5 cents. I just want to make that clear. Many people think that that is not the case. As you can see, to get 1 cent, you need to click quite a few ads there, because now I've clicked a couple of them there and I have $0.001 there. That means that to earn $1 by clicking ads, I would need to click around like 2,000 ads or something like that. So even though when you're on this site, it looks like you can earn more than you can on most pay-to-click sites, in reality, you actually earn even less. Like normally, usually, maybe you can click like 1,000 ads on a pay-to-click site and you earn $1. Here you need to earn like, click 2,000 to earn $1. It's ridiculously low rewards, and it's very misleading in my opinion. I know they say 0.05 cents, so they don't say it's $0.05, but the way that displayed, like any other pay-to-click site would just say like $0.0005, because then it's very transparent what you can expect. So I just wanted to make that clear. It also has other earning options where you can earn more. We will go over those, but this is just because this is so important to understand that it looks like you might think you can earn 5 cents. It's not 5 cents you will earn. That would be nice for a pay-to-click site, but in reality, you need to spend a lot of time. Another way to earn by watching ads, you can see they have these surf bonus ads, where you can see here you need to surf bonus ads to earn points, and then you can potentially win. You can go there, but you see here it's like, again, you know, you can look more into it. Really not worth it. There's no guarantee that you will win there. I can't even be bothered to talk more about it. The pay to click option here on HeedYou is just, you really need to be desperate to be willing to spend this much time to earn a few cents. It's ridiculous. They don't even have that many ads here. You couldn't even earn a few cents in a day like this. But it does have other earning options, so let's go over those also so you can decide if it's for you or not. So if you go to the earn section and you go to the task, then here you can find paid offers. This is the same paid offers you can find on many other get paid to sites. I just prefer using other get paid to sites because I don't like this trick about making it look like you can earn more than you can with the ads. And in general, also in my experience, like I've tested hundreds of get paid to sites, and what you earn for the exact same offers on many of the highest get paid to sites, it's just better than on HeedYou. And I can say the same for the surveys, like the exact same service, yeah, they pay decently here, but the exact same service can be found on many other sites where you earn more. So again, I just would prefer using some of the top paying service sites instead. As for watching videos, as they also have as an option here, it's through what's called Hideout TV. This is the exact same way you earn on many other get paid to site. In general, you will not earn a lot by watching videos. In general, I always say that doesn't matter which get paid to site. It's not something that will make you a lot of money. It's in general, it takes an extreme amount of patience. I always have people asking me, how do I make a lot of money by watching ads or watching videos? You can't. That's just not how it works. It will earn you very little. So what you earn here compared to many other get paid to sites, it's kind of almost the same because it's just so low. Still, I would prefer using other options if you want to earn by watching videos. But that's how you earn. You can earn, as you can see, but let's also go over the payout options, because that's of course also very important to know how you can get paid and when you can get paid before you decide if it's for you or not. So when you go to your account, you can then come here and you can click there to see the payments, and it offers to pay via PayPal, Payeer, and Skrill. So some good payout options to get paid in cash. I do like that. As you can see, the minimum payout for PayPal is only $1, so a nice low payout threshold. Also Payeer, also $1. $5 for Skrill, still a low payout threshold. I think this is the biggest advantage of HeedYou, is actually it has a low payout threshold. Just be aware it does have fees when you withdraw. For PayPal it's 2%. No, it's fairly normal to be charged 2% when you withdraw to PayPal from many sites there. Unfortunately, luckily some also do offer to pay that for you so you get the full amount. But for Payeer, see, they take a 10% withdrawal fee, and for Skrill, a fixed fee. But for Payeer, usually Payeer can be a great way to get paid. But 10% withdrawal fee, it's just ridiculously high in my opinion. Something you need to be aware of for sure before you start to try to earn here. I have a video with other ways to get earn via Payeer. I'll leave a link in the top corner, and most of those actually pay you the full amount, so you don't have to pay 10%. It's hard enough to earn as it is, and when you then have to pay 10% as a withdrawal fee, that just makes it the value for your time even less. So to sum it all up, HeedYou is a way to potentially earn by clicking ads and doing other tasks, but I just really do not like it because, first of all, I know that they do write what you will get for the ads, but most people will read it wrong and think that you can earn 5 cents. That's not the case. You'll have to click an enormous amount of ads to ever just earn a couple of dollars. And the other surveys and paid offers and other ways to earn here, there's just better sites to take the exact same service and offers in my experience. So overall, I would say if you want to make money online with tasks like this, I think there are many better options. I will leave a link below to a list I have of the top get paid to sites, so you can check that out. I would definitely recommend using those instead. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out if it's for you or not. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time. It's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.